Hello everyone, this is Ankan Sarkar, and in this Salesforce learning video I am going to show you how to create your own custom lightning record page. So first go to the setup, and in the quick find search for lightning app builder. In the lightning app builder, click on new. As we are going to make a new lightning record page, we are going to select the record page over here. Click on next. For the label, I am going to create a record page for the lead object. So I am going to label it as lead record new. And from the object drop down, select the lead object. Click on next. Now we have to choose the template based on which the page would be built on. So the template I am going to choose is going to be header, subheader and right sidebar. Click on finish. Now we need to add the components over here. For the topmost component, I am going to add a highlight panel in this. After that, I am going to add a path. Now we need to add tabs over here on the left hand side. So I am going to select tabs over here, and similarly tabs on the right hand side. On the left hand side, it's going to consist of only related and details, and in the related tab I'm going to add the related list, as well as I'm going to add if there are any duplicate record of this. And in the detail tab I'm going to add record detail, and on the right hand side the tabs I'm going to choose is the activity tab and the chatter. In the activity tab I'm going to add the activity, and in the chatter tab I am going to add the chatter over here. For now I am going to keep it simple as this and save this page and click on activate. Now we need to assign this record page, so I'm going to assign it to the org default, and I'm going to assign it in the desktop version only. So here, as you can see that the new default page for the lead would be the one that we have created, that is lead record new. So I'm going to save it and go back to your record and refresh the page once. And now we can see that the page that we have created has been assigned over here. So this is how you can create your own lightning record page. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.